Hello everyone, this is Ose here again, owner of a web design business. I'm here to continue with my web design tutorial videos, but now I'll be working basically on the different codes you'll be using for basic web design. That is the tags such as divs, the p tag, the b tag. So let's begin. And of course, you're gonna need a web design application such as Dreamweaver or Notepad++ or the basic Notepad or any other application used for coding. So let's create a new HTML file. As I said before, in some applications, the doc type, HTML head, all of those may not be provided, so you might have to type them yourselves. But with Dreamweaver, they are already provided for you. So see, these are the basic tags: the head tag, the body tag, HTML tag. So now let me start with a very basic tag. Let's say a p tag. In my previous video, I taught how to make a proper navigation bar, but decided that maybe some people may not understand basic coding. Can't just break down coding in general. So I have a p tag. Just put a p in between these two little brackets. Then in between you can type. Then don't forget to close it. In between you can type in whatever, like hi. My name is Ose. Then you can save. Let's see. What should we save this as? Okay. Tutorial video. Coding tags. Don't forget, when you're saving, always put .html if it's an HTML file. If not, it may not appear the way you want it to be. Now that is saved, let's check the design. You can see it came out well. So p tags are used for mainly basic sentences. So the way it is here, that's how it's going to appear, the design, and that's how it's going to appear in a browser. Let me show you. Voila. So now that's out of the way. Now there's also the h1 tag, h2 tag, and so on. So I'll type in I'm a web developer or web designer, whichever one. Close it, save, and as you can see, it appears bolder and bigger. So h1 tag is mostly for titles. Then you can put h2 and so on. I am also a web designer. You can see it's a bit smaller. So as you put the h3, h4, it reduces in size and boldness. So now you just want to make a basic word bold. Put in a b tag and say hello. Close it, save. As you can see, it's basically the same size but just bolder. So now that these are out of the way, now let me show you the slant, that's the italics. Just put in I, hello, close it, save, refresh. You can see it's slanted. What else? So let's just clear this all away. Now save. So those are the basic tags for typing. Okay, let's move on to the div tags. Div tags are usually imaginary containers. So for example, nothing's here. But if you check the design, you can see this imaginary thing. So you can now type in whatever you want within it. So now let's do a little bit of inline CSS. Even though I do not recommend, but for some people who might be curious about what that's about. As I said in the previous video, just come, type in style, put an equal sign, 2 quotation marks, begin it down with the new design. So let's say color, that's to append to font color, say blue. Save. Yeah, you can see the colors changed. So now let's do with another tag, the ahref tag, equals to 2 quotations, then you can put in a hash, save. So again we can type in home, you see. So now I'm wondering how this links to a page. So it depends on the document you put within here. So let's see, let's link this up to the particular document. Let me pick one of my old projects. Okay, I'll link it to the first video, to the first work I did. Save. So when I click, it appears. So that's what the ahref tag does. That's what the ahref tag does. So if I design the proper web page here, this whole page, then maybe I type in sign in for here. By the time I click it, there'll be a sign-in page or something like that. So that's the ahref tag. Then let me demonstrate inline CSS again. Sorry, internal style. Close this. Then maybe, so here let's design this line. And here type in class and equals to sign, and then we can name whatever we want. So let's say love. Then here put in dot love. Do this, do that. Let's change the color, make it red. Put in a little bit of padding, yeah, like spacing, 20 pixels like a unit. By the time you do that, voila, that's it. So in the previous video I showed you how to link an external CSS file to this. So if you want to understand that, you can go and check the previous videos. So now let me just break down CSS codes. So now we understand what color is and padding is. So Now let's do a little bit of background color. Okay, we can understand that. So color is only you type that in for font color. Background dash color is for the background color. Then you can type in text dash line. Let's say center. Voila, it's at the center. Then let's put in height. 20 pixels. Width 100%. I believe we should all know that. Height for the height of the object. Width, that's like horizontal stuff. Save. Let's see. Okay, for us to see that, I'm going to put a background color again. Let's say red. As you can see, that has been done. Then of course, if you don't want a space here and here, just come to the top, type in body, then margin, then put 0, close it, and save. Yeah, that should do with that. If it was a proper header, this space on top wouldn't be there as well. So I believe we dealt. Okay, now let's do border dash radius. You see what I'm trying to do in a sec. We'll have to remove this body margin, and hopefully, yeah, it's a bit slanted. That's if you can notice the difference. Let me see whether I can make it more so that you guys can understand. Okay, it should be pretty obvious now. So that's the border radius. These are basic codes that you would need when you're designing and stuff. Then let me show you another thing. Margin top, or just margin.
Like a bird on a tree.
You can say 50 pixels. By the time you save, it's gone below. So I believe I dealt with basic codes that you guys will understand. Let me just do a recap. We have the style, we have the P, we got style, the P, the basic body, head, and of course don't forget the H1. Don't forget the B. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. It's also a list tag. So do a list first. You type in a UL. Of course, you have to close it. Then, whatever you want to list, you put it within an LI tag. Let me say I'm missing food, for example. I type in chicken. Close it. Next one, I type in hamburger. I go below, I type in pizza. Save. And you can see it's listed. So thank you very much. I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe down below. Thank you. More videos like this will come, especially if you guys encourage me with subscribing and liking. Thank you. Don't forget my name is Oscar, owner of Obsessive Web Bro. This is my website right here. In case guys want me to design a website for you, bring your back. Thank you very much.